What's happening, guys? I wanted to do a quick video for you. So basically I had gotten, as you can see, some of the remnants left. These chickens have been eating it up. There was so much more. But one of our local stores, they actually give away old rotten food. It's not rotting, they keep it in the fridge, you know. We took all the proper precautions. So this is healthy for these guys. You know, I gave them a nice little rinse before I threw everything out. They're gonna pick at it. They're loving it. As you can see, we got a lot of fresh little leaf litter there. How you doing, Mr. Willie? Basically, as you guys know, it's spring cleaning. So that for us, that doesn't just mean inside, that also means outside. We're gonna rake up all the leaves, follow a permaculture design, and just keep these birds happy. They were only laying about 2 eggs a day there for a little bit. So adding stuff like this, keeping them busy, increasing different nutrients and stuff in their diet, they're gonna start laying a lot more for sure. So that's just our quick little update. We also do have over there in the back, we actually do have one of our chickens brooding, sitting on eggs for us. If you give me just a second, we'll show you that. So we're gonna see if y'all can see. It's kind of hard to see a black chicken in the dark, because she's sitting right there in that shade. But yeah, she is sitting on eggs. She's really happy with her male rooster. These are the chickens. There's the other hen over there. These are the chickens that were already laying, had already increased their size due to that one brooding back there. So what we did is we let them lay some of her own eggs, and we mixed in some of our Rhode Island Reds and that Easter egg are back there. About 4 or 5 of their eggs. And we let the rest of them be the little white eggs. For the game chickens. As you can see, we even had a little bit of a update go on. It's not perfect, it's not beautiful, we're still in tests, but I am loving it. This is actually, if everything works out correctly, this is what we're planning on having as our mushroom bin. You can see they're just going crazy. We're putting some mulch on everything. Pineapple. I also need to add some, mulch underneath their house, even though they're pretty copacetic. Yeah, they're just loving it, man. Things have, kind of died back a little bit since we did cull all of the excess roosters that we had, but we have plans in place to where they won't be as wasteful as the last time. Last time we culled them and I just buried them somewhere in the garden we won't be planting for a year or so. And I mean, now I think I have some different recipes we're going to try out later on. Those recipes are mostly just going to be for dog, cat, and fish food. Chicken meat's pretty good, and most people don't eat roosters. We may eat some of them, but if they're really small and we have to cull them back for feed, I'd rather at least somebody get some, maximize usage out of them, because at the end of the day, the bones and stuff will get burned and buried in the garden. So they will end up in the same place, but we could get so much more out of them on the way. So that's pretty much it for today's update. We'll be seeing you guys with the next one. Peace, have a great day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any questions, concerns, or things that you liked about what we're doing here. Pretty much we're just hanging out, enjoying it. Have a good one.